I'm just working on 2012 Cadillac CTS. I'm going to change this little guy. The reason I'm changing, if you guys see, there's a crack on this mirror, so I'm going to change. You guys need a flat screwdriver. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see. Just pull this guy out and leave it somewhere safe. So there is a 3 screws right there. So extend this a little bit up there, leave it, and start one of these socket ratchet. So if you guys have screwdriver, stars good better. I don't have. I'm just using ratchet and socket. Alright, one, second one. The last one is right there. Alright, so this is 3 screws, 3 all the same size. I guess I'm just gonna put, there's a lock in there, pull it. Yeah, there's that one here. Hello everyone, I did some job last night. I'm doing the rest today. It's pretty cold. So after that, we're going to open this little thing here. Well, you need a small flat screwdriver. There's a little lock in there. We're just gonna push it there and pop this out. Then same screwdriver, it's gonna be exactly the same. It's right there. We're just gonna pull this down. Alright guys, I'm just gonna put a screwdriver right here so I can get a little bit more space for wiring. Alright guys, so the wire is located inside, so you guys have to pull down a bit and disconnect your wire. Alright guys, you have to play around with the wire. It's hard to see it. Alright guys, just disconnect the wire. I'm just gonna pull it. Alright guys, so you need a small screwdriver, just very tiny one, and there is a small clip in there so you can put it and lift it up and pull it. It's very easy to disconnect. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put the new one back on. So I'm gonna push this wire back like this. I put the wire back. I'm gonna remove this from there. Alright guys, we're just gonna push this back. Okay. Just gonna put back the screws. Alright, wait. Just gonna put this back. Tied it good. Okay, push this back. Beautiful. Good. One, second one, right there. So I'm gonna push this back. Alright guys, it's brand new. Thanks for watching.